Hi guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah. I go by Hlander. Welcome. So glad you're here. Today I'm super excited for this video because I'm testing out, reviewing, swatching, painting my nails with Olive & June's brand spanking new Valentine's Day collection. And let me tell you, I'm a sucker for pinks. I'm a sucker for reds. I'm a sucker for hearts, and I love pink and red together. I just think they're meant to be. They just came out with 4 new nail polishes, 2 new Instant Mani press-on kits, and 3 press-on manis. Let's just say I'm absolutely addicted. I am. The verdict's out. I'm obsessed with this collection. I do predict that I'll be wearing it long past Valentine's Day. Who doesn't love a reason, occasion to do your nails, to dress them up, to do it for a certain theme? I know I do. Olive & June absolutely hit the nail on the head with this collection. I love it. Okay, I'll stop repeating myself now. Let me introduce you to, first, the press-on mani kits. Okay, you can kind of see what it would look like on my finger. Pink Crush Velvet press-on nails in the long length. These are the sassiest, and I love the finish on them because I don't know if you can tell on camera, it's giving a little bit of a cat eye, metallic-y look to them. Not your average press-on manis. These are sassy. These are screaming, I don't need a man this Valentine's Day, but I might just get them with these nails. This is the medium length in the design Rose Jelly Chrome. It's a little bit more of a hot pink color. I kind of love that it has like the little insert on the bottom of the press-on manis, so that way you can kind of see what it would look like on your nail. That's just the little details that Olive & June thinks about. And then the other day I was going to put on one of these press-on manis because I love all of these. There's not a single one that I won't use. Kind of love my nail shape right now, and I wasn't ready to clip them and trim them because they do say that they want you to trim your nails before you put on the super stick manis. These last up to 7 days. It's a sticker kind of adhesive application, and from what I've seen and heard, this isn't a cheap little press-on mani. Like, this is gonna stay on you for up to 7 days and doesn't damage your nail, so that's a plus too. Maybe you're not super committed to the glue on press-on manis. The super stick manis won't disappoint. Okay, first one, probably my favorite one of the collection, is the extra short in Heart Shower. It is the most delicate little pink hearts on just like kind of a beigey cream back. I'm gonna say it, I'm obsessed with these. It kind of goes with the little bow ballerina core we've got going on right now. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Next we have a short stick-on nail in the shade Lollipop. I mean, you can't go wrong with red nails, especially for Valentine's Day. Hello, red nail theory, if you know what I'm talking about. Looks kind of bright on camera, but I'm telling you, muted candy apple almost. Like, it's not going to look like a highlighter red on your finger. It's chic. It's nice. You need these. Next up is a classic kind of French nail style, and we've got the tonal Valentine's French super stick mani in extra short. I mean, talk about chic. Nothing is more chic than just a classic French mani. Kind of looks like the Lollipop color with a little bit of just like a pinky natural nail behind. These are gonna be awesome. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but like Olive & June really did it with this collection for me. They did it. Congrats, you did it, Olive & June. You win. Let's get into my bread and butter, the nail polishes. We've got 2 quick dry nail polishes and then 2 of the long lasting nail polishes. And really, this isn't your average Valentine's Day colors when I would think of Valentine's pinks and reds. I'm really into this kind of pink color right now. This is the color Bouquet. Who doesn't want a nice little bouquet for Valentine's Day? Sorry you're not getting flowers this year, you're getting nail polish. I mean, which one's gonna last longer, you know? This is a pretty little bubblegum color to me, but it has a shimmery metallic that adds just an extra little oomph. The shimmer kind of has like a bluish tint to it from what I can see. I'm excited to see what this looks like on Bouquet. Next up, we have the champagne-y color in my eyes. This is the shade Love Note. It's the second quick dry of the collection, and really it's stunning. It'll play on its own, but it'll also look great as like a background if you want to do a little bit of a nail design. This is a stunning kind of metallic-y shimmer color as well. It's gonna give that chrome kind of like glazed donut look, and I think it just looks so clean. Like, if you're going for a more laid back kind of color for your Valentine's nails, This is the one. Love note. Next, the two long-lasting colors. To me, like a salmon-y coral color, it's not what I'm grabbing for. It's not something that I usually want on my nails, but I was pleasantly surprised by this color. This is the shade Be Mine. This also has somewhat of a metallic-y finish to it, but it's long-lasting. I put it on and I think it was on there for a solid 5 days. It is somewhat of a salmon-y color from what you can kind of see, but honestly, it has like a little bit of a bubblegum undertone as well. But this is definitely like a 2-coat, 3-coat type of nail polish. It's gorgeous. I'm addicted. Okay, and last but not least, we've got our last long-lasting of the collection. How many times can I say last? This is the shade Your Cutie. Okay, I'm actually obsessed with this color. It's a red, but it's kind of a berry. And from the pictures, it really looks kind of like that gel nail polish finish. Your Cutie on the website is described as a berry pink, sheer, long-lasting color. This is basically the only one in the collection that doesn't have like a metallic-y or a shimmery finish to it. This is LD in the press-ons. And then you have Your Cutie. Your Cutie is definitely more of like a red though, but it leans a little bit berry, which I really enjoy. So that is the total overlook of their Valentine's Day collection. If you're super interested in getting one of these, I would go ahead and get it because they do sell out. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite product or shade was from this collection. I will tag Olive and June so that way you can check them out. Thanks, I love you guys. I'll see you next video. Bye! I have to say, the shade Love Note is probably the most underrated color of the collection. I asked my boyfriend, I said, okay, which one's your favorite or what do you think? And he said, honestly, I really like this one. Like, it's different than the ones that you have. And he said, it's really pretty. So there you go, girls. This is gonna be the one that sticks out to guys, I guess. My whole other hand in the You're a Cutie shade, I think I'm gonna wear this one a lot. This is gonna be a reoccurring theme. I'm gonna go ahead and paint my toes this color because this is a me color. Overall, 10 out of 10. Would have to recommend. Hey, also, like, what a good Valentine's Day present this would be. There you go, you're welcome. Now you don't have to think about a Valentine's gift anymore. Or maybe you can start dropping hints. I hope you have a great rest of your day, great rest of your week, a great Valentine's Day. I'll make sure to link all these colors in the description along with a press-on manis and glue-on manis. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.